What if I told you the true cutting edge of technology isn't in today's labs, but hidden in plain sight, crumbling and forgotten? Can we truly innovate if we ignore the lessons etched into the silent giants of yesterday's progress? Prepare to question everything as we unearth echoes of a future that never arrived, holding secrets we desperately need today. They once roared with fire, steel, and purpose, monuments to human ambition. But today, they stand silent, forgotten. And yet, behind every rusted beam lies a story America never finished. In Detroit, the Ford River Rouge Complex was once the beating heart of American innovation, a place where raw steel entered one end and brand new cars rolled out the other. But now, you can walk through entire sections of the complex and hear nothing but the wind slipping through broken windows. Why did this titan fall? What did America lose when it lost places like this? Because buried inside those abandoned assembly lines is a warning, one we're still ignoring. A warning about what happens when technology evolves faster than the people meant to wield it. Travel thousands of miles to the Duga Radar in the Chernobyl exclusion zone, once a technological marvel able to detect missiles before they even formed on the horizon. Today, its colossal lattice towers are nothing more than metal skeletons under radioactive clouds. A supermachine designed to protect a nation, now unable to protect itself from decay. What we are really building? Why do our greatest breakthroughs end up as ruins? Are these collapses proof of failure, or evidence of a cycle we still don't understand? At the Salton Sea Test Base, America tested experimental aircraft that helped shape modern military power. Now, the runways crumble, the hangars rot, and the desert reclaims everything. It makes you wonder, if this place held the future once, what future might still be buried beneath the sand? From abandoned supercolliders to forgotten fiber optic networks, America's discarded innovations whisper the same question. How much progress are we losing without even realizing it? The truth hidden in the ruins. And here is the secret. These ruins are not just relics. They are blueprints. Blueprints of triumph, failure, ambition, and consequences. They remind us that progress is never permanent. And innovation without preservation becomes nothing more than the next abandoned monument. If we want a better future, we must first learn from the one we left behind.